Today we have here this Samsung Galaxy A05s, which we're going to use in this video tutorial without a PC. It's a completely PC-free method because in these videos, on this device we had a screen lock. We formatted it, but it's left with this little padlock in the upper left corner. We're not going to use a computer to recover our phone, since we'd forgotten about the screen lock. If this is your case, don't worry, in this video tutorial we'll explain all the steps so you can recover it and fix it. What we're going to do here is the following. We're going to connect to a Wi-Fi network. Then we're going to go to the point where we see the screen lock and the Google account. On Start, we're going to click here on Start. We're going to click here, we're going to click here on Add Manual, and we're going to connect to a Wi-Fi network. Now, what we're going to do is, well, I also want to ask you what model you're using and if you're using the same model, and let us know in the comments if it worked successfully. If you have another model, let us know in the comments so we can send you an exclusive video tutorial for your model. What's going on? Okay, as we've mentioned, we formatted our phone, and it's left with this screen lock. What we're going to do is completely remove this little padlock that's left here. We're going to remove it completely so we can recover our cell phone. That's the way. That's our idea for recovering our device. As we mentioned, we forgot the screen lock. But sometimes, you might have formatted your phone, and if you've gotten to this point and you know the lock your phone had, I recommend you add it. It could be a pattern, a password, a PIN. Add it, and it will give you access to recover your phone. This is the easiest way to recover it without having to watch the entire video tutorial. You won't have to watch the whole video if you add the lock, or let's say, if you know how to use your Google account. If you know your Google account, add it here. Well, add your Google account. Then click Next and add the password. You add your Google account, enter your password, and it gives you access to recover it. But let's say you forgot your email, or maybe you don't know the password but you do know the email. Well, there's also this alternative where we add our phone number from our email. Click Next, and we receive a code on our phone. We add that code here. After we add that code, it gives us access to the home page. It gives us the opportunity to get to the home page and recover it. That would be one of the other options. But let's say you don't have the phone number. Then I recommend you do this. We're going to do this here. We're going to write it. Then we do the same here. We write this here, and what we're going to do is click for 30 seconds. After those 30 seconds, we're going to do the following configurations. Here, it's recommended that you don't skip ahead in the video tutorial because you would miss the entire process we're explaining to recover your cell phone. Ways. It would be easier and faster without needing a PC. A completely PC-free method. Having said all that, now what we're going to do is the following. We're going to go back to the Start menu. Click on Accessibility, click on Tab, enable that tab. Now we're going to double-click here. Double-click here twice, double-click here. Click Deny here, double-click here, and then double-click here. We're going back, tapping the screen a few times. Going back. Tapping here where it says Add New Network, tapping the little blue icon here. Tapping the 3 dots to refresh. Tapping down, tapping here on Reset, Clear Cache. Resetting all these other options. And then what we're going to do now is press the power button and the volume down button at the same time. This will force a restart. Now that it does that forced restart, what we're going to do is, the following. We'll wait until it takes us directly to the home screen. And now we'll be finishing this recovery process. We'll wait until it takes us to the home screen and we'll finish this recovery process. That's why it's always recommended to watch the step-by-step video tutorials so you don't miss any details and can solve this recovery. One of the easiest and fastest ways is without needing a PC. This is a completely PC-free method. You know that in the video description and in the first pinned comment, you'll be able to find other completely different methods. A PC-free method different from this one, and a PC method also different from the one we're doing. We also have another PC method so you can apply it as well. Now that we've reached this point, we'll do the following. We'll click here on Add. We'll click here on Add. We'll click here on Add. Now we'll click here where it says Galaxy. Here we'll see this QR code. Well, since we see that QR code, we're going to use another cell phone. What phone does it have to have? It has to have a Google account. If you don't have one, well, create one. Just a moment, create one. We're going to sync this email that appears here with this other phone. We also need a screen lock. Let's find a screen lock. Let's add one here. I'm going to add. Sorry, I'm going to add a lock. I'm going to add a lock here. The easiest one we have. Then what we're going to do now is get this. Here in Google, we're going to get this little camera. We're going to select this little camera. We're going to give it all the permissions. We're going to give it all the permissions, and we're going to scan what we have here. If you can see that here it says, sign in with Google. We're going to sign in with Google here. What's happening here? Well, what we're going to do now is sync this phone with that one. All the information we have here, both the email and everything else, this would be completely synced. We're going to sync these two devices. And the Google account that this phone has here would be fully enabled. It's syncing now. A profile will appear here. If you can see it, here. Now what we're going to do is press the power button and the volume down button at the same time, and what we're going to do is a forced restart. We're going to do a forced restart. Now that we have that forced restart, we're going to wait for it to take us directly to the home screen. When we're on the home screen, we'll be finishing this recovery process. We're going to finish this recovery process. We're going to wait for it to take us. Okay. Here it is restarting. It's restarting. Wait a few seconds until it takes us directly to the home screen. You know that in the video description and in the first pinned comment we have a video tutorial. Completely different, other methods. Several different methods to this one without a PC. We also have several methods using a PC. Both the PC free method and the PC methods, which you can find there. Okay, now our phone has started. Now our Google account that we had on the other phone will be synchronized here. You'll realize that it's completely synchronized here. We wait, now. We're going to wait until it says that the account was added successfully. Now it will say that. Here you can see that the account was added successfully. Okay, now what we're going to do is click Next. We're going to finish this configuration process. We're going to click here where it says, Don't copy. We click where it says, Don't copy. We click here where it says, Skip. We click here on Skip. Anyway, we click here, we click on Accept. We click here, we click on Skip. We click on Skip again. We wait a few seconds. Now we click here in this small print. We click here in this small print again, now blue. We click here on Skip. Now we click here on Skip again. We click here on Add. We click here on Next. We wait and here we're going to click now on Finish. We click on Finish and we'll have our device fully recovered.